What is the name of the comic book series released to create road safety awareness among children? A. Swachha Sefa and Suvarshit Yatra. B. Safe Roads Ahead. C. Children's Road Guide. D. Traffic Tales. The correct answer is A. Swachha Sefa and Suvarshit Yatra. Who is the presiding officer of the upper house? A. The Chief Minister. B. The Governor. C. The Chairman. D. The Speaker. The correct answer is C. The Chairman. Besides rights, what do all citizens also have? A. Privileges. B. Exemptions. C. Responsibilities. D. Immunities. The correct answer is C. Responsibilities. What is the national bird of India? A. Pond. B. Tree. C. Lotus. D. Peacock. The correct answer is D. Peacock. What two safety devices are mentioned as being able to decrease traffic deaths when properly used? A. Anti-lock brakes and traction control. B. Airbags and GPS. C. Seat belts and helmets. D. Backup cameras and parking sensors. The correct answer is C. Seat belts and helmets. Which type of law usually begins with the lodging of an FIR? A. Criminal law. B. Constitutional law. C. International law. D. Civil law. The correct answer is A. Criminal law. What is listed as a benefit for workers? A. Right to preserve tradition. B. Cultural rights. C. Right to vote. D. Benefits provided by labor law. The correct answer is D. Benefits provided by labor law. Which of the following is not listed as a race that became part of the modern Indian race? A. Aryans. B. Mongoloids. C. Nordic. D. Dravidians. The correct answer is C. Nordic. Which organization is responsible for organizing National Road Safety Week in India? A. Road Accident Prevention Bureau. B. National Safety Council of India, NSC. C. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. D. Indian Traffic Police. The correct answer is B. National Safety Council of India, NSA. Where did Malala wake up 10 days after the shooting? A. In a rehabilitation center. B. In a hospital in Swat Valley. C. In a hospital in Birmingham, England. D. In her home in Swat Valley. The correct answer is C. In a hospital in Birmingham, England. Which country did Quaim Nkrumah represent as a founding father of NAM? A. Egypt. B. India. C. Ghana. D. Yugoslavia. The correct answer is C. Ghana. What feature of the peacock contributes to its status as the national bird? A. Its special structure. B. Its connection to lotus flowers. C. Its beauty and even distribution. D. Its ability to swim. The correct answer is C. Its beauty and even distribution. How many Anglo-Indian members can be nominated to the Lok Sabha by the President of India? A. 3. B. 4. C. 1. D. 2. The correct answer is D. 2. Which of the following is listed as a mammal? A. Banyan tree. B. King cobra. C. Elephant. D. Peacock. The correct answer is C. Elephant. What is the definition of democracy? A. A government formed by wealthy elites. B. A government formed by the people. C. A government formed by a military. D. A government formed by a king. The correct answer is B. A government formed by the people. What specific right was given to women in Tamil Nadu? A. Voting rights. B. Employment quotas. C. Ancestral property rights. D. Educational scholarships. The correct answer is C. Ancestral property rights. Besides mountains, plateaus, and plains, what else came to India related to its wealth? A. Forests. B. Rivers for trade. C. Minerals. D. Wild animals. The correct answer is B. Rivers for trade. To whom is the Council of Ministers collectively responsible? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Lok Sabha. C. The President. D. The Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is B. The Lok Sabha. Which organization released a video of Sachin Tendulkar to create awareness among motorists? A. National Traffic Association. B. Indian Cricket Board. C. Road Safety Commission. D. Mumbai Police. The correct answer is D. Mumbai Police. What is listed as a factor responsible for poor female literacy rates? A. Political instability. B. Gender-based inequality. C. Lack of access to technology. D. High male literacy rate. The correct answer is B. Gender-based inequality. Which entity is constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act, 1987? A. The National Legal Service Authority, NALSA. B. The High Courts of States. C. The Supreme Court of India. D. The Lok Adalats. The correct answer is A. The National Legal Service Authority, NALSA. The functions of the SHRC are confined only to which geographical area? A. Specific cities only. B. The specific state. C. The nation as a whole. D. International territories. The correct answer is B. The specific state. What percentage more likely are children with disabilities to be sexually abused according to an international survey? A. 4.1%. B. 3.4%. C. 1.2%. D. 2.5%. The correct answer is B. 3.4%. A country with an elected head of state is called A underscore 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 underscore. A. Dependency. B. Colony. C. Republic. D. Monarchy. The correct answer is C. Republic. Who appoints the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission? A. Chief Minister. B. President. C. Chief Justice of the High Court. D. Governor. The correct answer is D. Governor. Which body constitutes the Union Judiciary of India? A. District Courts. B. Special Tribunals. C. Supreme Court of India. D. High Courts. The correct answer is C. Supreme Court of India. What can the High Court do to regulate the practice and proceedings of lower courts and tribunals? A. Overrule parliamentary laws. B. Make general rules and prescribe forms. C. Appoint new judges. D. Issue pardons. The correct answer is B. Make general rules and prescribe forms. Which entity printed this book by offset? A. Chennai. B. Samagra Shiksha. C. TNMS. D. Tamil Virtual Academy. The correct answer is D. Tamil Virtual Academy. Who is recognized as the father of the Constitution of India? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which type of party system is present in India? A. Biparty system. B. Single party system. C. Multi-party system. D. Non-party system. The correct answer is C. Multi-party system. How did you score?